Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my Amazon for Beginners channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to source products from Walmart.com for your Amazon FBA business. So before I start, I'm going to invite you guys to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly calls every week. And it is also a good place for other Amazon sellers to network and meet other sellers. So with that said, this is how you guys look for products from Walmart.com to sell on your Amazon FBA store, right? So first up is for you guys, obviously go to Walmart.com, and then I would pick random products, right? So for example, this one is an Equate Daily Fiber moisturizer supplement. I'm sorry. And then from here, you copy the title of this product from Walmart, and then you search on Amazon, which I think is this one. So this one is 36.8 ounce. Okay, well, I think it's the same one. Let's double check though. So 36.8 ounce, 180 doses. Okay, 180 doses. Daily fiber. Okay. So 100% psyllium husk. Okay, so this one, the packaging are not the same, but I believe it's the exact same product, right? So let's put this here. Yeah, let's double check a little more. Helps you feel less hungry between meals. Sugar. Yeah, I think it's this. It's sugar free. It's sugar free. Yeah, sugar free. Also, so yeah, I believe this is the exact same product. So now you plug in the cost, right, on your Sell Amp. So $23.84 is your cost, and the selling price on Amazon is about $42. So let's look at the bottom and see the other offers. So the first two sellers are giving you a negative ROI, but then from here it goes from 12% all the way to like 37%, right? So I believe this is a good product. 55 sales a month. The competition is pretty decent. And then if you look at the other sellers, I mean the Keep It Chart, so it's been stable here at like $35, right? And then here it's been going up and down a lot. So let's see. So 38 is the peak, then the bottom is like $30. But I do like to look at the current sellers and where they're pricing the product. So based on the recent sellers, they're selling this product between $38 to like $48. I mean, it's negative here from the first two sellers, so it's gonna be up to you if you want to take that risk. But from this point all the way down, you're getting at least a 12% ROI, all the way down to like 22%. So yeah, we found this product. It's not the best when it comes to data, but at least we found it, right, from Walmart to Amazon. So that's one. Next one. So again, we do the same thing. So we search this product on Amazon. So you go to Amazon.com, search the product, and you look for the exact same product. So Woke AF pre-workout powder. I don't see it for some reason. They probably changed the packaging. Let's see. Let's see. Woke. But let's see. This could be it. Check it out. So Bucked Up, what? Wait a second. Okay, so Bucked Up is a company name, I believe, and then Woke AF is a product name, right? So Bucked Up Woke, pre workout, high stimulant. Hmm. Let's see. Yeah, the packaging is way off. So, 333 milligrams of caffeine. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is the one. Yeah, I think this is not the one. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is the one. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is the one either. So I'll keep looking. Just maybe it's just here in the bottom somewhere. Oh, let's see the one. This one's closer. Hmm. Yeah, let's try that one. This one is flagged as generic, but yeah, I don't think it's even the one. So packaging is way different. Plus, it's also flagged as generic. So we'll skip this one and we'll try this one right here. So same process, right? Copy it, search on Amazon, and then look for the exact same product, which I believe is this one. And then just match it. Looks like the same product. First mint, 4.3 ounces, same packaging. I mean, the only problem is that it's priced the same. So there's really no margin. So let's see the other sellers. If you're selling this for a higher price, yeah, I don't think so. So this one is 698, right? 98. So it's giving you like 90% ROI. So obviously we can't do that. And if you look at the other sellers, their price pretty much the same, and it's going to give you a negative ROI. So, but I hope you guys got value from the video, though. We found several products that you guys can source from Walmart to sell on Amazon. So again, I'll do a recap. So you start with Walmart.com. You click products that you like from Walmart.com, and then from here you find the exact same product on Amazon, and then you run the numbers, right? You plug in the numbers, look at the ROI, sales per month, and if you like the numbers, you buy it for a store. And then again, I hope you guys have that from the video, and if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post a link in my description below, and in that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.